Amid the verdant hills of Manipur, where the morning mist dances with the first rays of sunlight, the Kabui tribe prepares for the most cherished celebration, the Gangai Festival of 2025. This vibrant festival, rooted in the centuries-old traditions, is not just a celebration of the harvest, but a sacred homage to ancestors, nature, and the divine. As the festival begins, the quiet villages comes alive with the resonant beats of traditional drums and the solemn chants of prayers. Elders, clad in traditional attire, offer sacred flames and prayers to the supreme deity and the spirits of their forebears. This act, deeply spiritual, bridges the realm of the living and the departed, affirming the Kabui's unyielding respect for their ancestors. Once the rituals is complete, the mood shifts to one of the joyous celebrations. The Kabui people, known for their vibrant culture, adorn themselves in intricately woven traditional garments, their design carrying symbols of nature and spirituality. Under the starry skies, the villagers gather in open courtyards where dancers, young and old, take center stage.
Hello everyone, happy Gangai. My name is Alan Dangmai. Gangai is not only about feasting and merrymaking. Gangai is the biggest cultural festival of Kabui. Today we have an tradition of observing the pig splint, which foretell our futures. So this pig splint is cooked with a blood. I mean the pig from where the pig splint is taken, it is cooked in a blood. That is called jaigan. Jai means blood and gun means curry. This jaigan is eaten in the locality or in a village with a promise of brotherhood. So jaigan signifies a promise that is made within the village. I mean, if I am from Kakulong, every village will have a jaigan curry, the blood curry. So the entire population of the village, when they consume the jaigan, it is a promise of brotherhood among the village. Thank you.
Okay.
Jaigan, na?
So this is what you told me.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. And they are preparing this one as well. This is also pork. They have they have prepared two full-grown pigs, right? And they are preparing it for the whole village and all the people to eat. This is amazing.
As ngasi pujari ni ko sak thong mi ne chai yang thong mi ne
Hey re. Ok ani ne.
อกอันนี้ได้กี่จีจ้ามา
70 ของนี่140
ด้วยมึงหลักกันนี่
70 mau taruh nih. Saya ini sedangnya malih. Oi. Itu udah. Napa makan gitu.
This year, the cultural celebrations have taken on a more subdued tone due to the ongoing situation in Manipur. The vibrant cultural dances, folk songs, and the resonant sounds of drums have been mellowed to express solidarity with the people of the region during these challenging times.
Ba. Ba. Ôi ba. Can. Ra đi. Ra đi. Ai các cuốn các nền mài ở trên cái nghề là cái cành mình luôn.
Không phải.
Feasting is at the heart of the Gangai festival. The aroma of freshly prepared dishes wafts through the villages as families and friends gather to share meals, strengthening the bonds over laughter and stories. The youth, bursting with energy, organize games, perform plays, and ensure the spirit of the festival is alive in every corner. This is the time of unity, where the Kabui tribe reaffirms their identity and connection to one another.
Thank you.
Happy
Yeah, no.
happy.
So I'm eating this traditional food, Manipuri food. The pork is prepared by the Kabui brothers, and we have this utti, and we have this bamboo stem chutney. A little bit spicy, but it's okay. We are used to eating this, but awesome. The pork is awesome. Look at the size of this.
But beneath the rivalry lies a deeper message. Gangai is not merely a festival, it is a living testament to the Kabui people's resilience, gratitude, and harmony with nature. It reminds them of life's cyclical nature, the blessings of the harvest, and the importance of preserving their cultural legacy. Happy Gangai, people!